Unreal Engine 5 versus Godot. Which game engine is better? Choosing the right game engine can completely change how you create immersive games without unnecessary complexity. We'll explore Unreal Engine 5 and Godot, highlighting their unique strengths and challenges. Unreal Engine 5 and Godot are two powerful game engines but serve different needs. Unreal Engine 5 focuses on high-fidelity visuals and AAA quality production, while Godot offers lightweight flexibility and open-source freedom. The core difference lies in their scope and accessibility. Unreal Engine 5 is a state-of-the-art game engine developed by Epic Games, designed for creating photorealistic visuals and complex interactive experiences. It uses advanced technologies like Nanite for detailed geometry and Lumen for dynamic global illumination, delivering cinematic quality graphics. Unreal Engine 5 supports a visual scripting system called Blueprints, allowing developers to build gameplay without deep coding knowledge, while also offering full C++ source access. Its strengths include robust toolsets for AAA game development, extensive marketplace assets, and strong industry adoption. However, it requires significant computing power and has a steeper learning curve, which can be challenging for beginners or small teams. Unreal Engine 5 is ideal for developers aiming for high-end visuals, large-scale projects, or those with experience in professional game development environments. Godot is a free, open-source game engine known for its lightweight design and versatility across 2D and 3D game development. It features an intuitive scene system and a built-in scripting language called GDScript, which is easy to learn and similar to Python. Godot supports multiple programming languages, including C and VisualScript, enhancing flexibility. Its strengths lie in fast iteration, minimal hardware requirements, and a strong community-driven ecosystem. Godot's open-source nature means developers can customize the engine to fit their needs, without licensing fees or royalties. However, Godot's 3D capabilities, while improving, are not as advanced as Unreal Engine 5's, making it less suited for ultra-realistic graphics. Godot is ideal for indie developers, hobbyists, and small teams focused on 2D games or moderately complex 3D projects who value ease of use and customization. Unreal Engine 5 and Godot cater to different development goals. Unreal Engine 5 excels in creating AAA quality visuals and large-scale projects, perfect for studios with powerful hardware and advanced programming skills. Its comprehensive tools streamline complex workflows, but come with high system demands and licensing considerations. Godot offers a lightweight, flexible platform with no cost or royalties, making it accessible for indie developers and rapid prototyping. While Godot's 3D features are less sophisticated, it shines in 2D development and ease of customization. Choosing between them depends on project scope, team size, and technical requirements. For high-end, cinematic games, Unreal Engine 5 is the go-to choice. For accessible, customizable, and cost-effective development, Godot stands out. Unreal Engine 5 is recommended for developers seeking top-tier graphics and extensive tools for large, professional game projects with the resources to support its complexity. Godot is the best choice for indie developers and smaller teams who want a free, flexible engine with strong 2D and growing 3D capabilities. Its ease of use and open source model make it perfect for creative freedom and rapid development cycles.